smart technologies is reshaping everyday life. But when systems fail, convenience comes to stop. Downtime comes at a cost, often higher than expected. In most cases, recovery starts with a simple reboot. So why wait hours, or even days, for someone to flip a switch? What if we can provide a solution? That is ASRock Industrial's OOB solution. AiOOB Management is a web-based remote device management platform that provides centralized control servers through a single unified interface. With AiOOB, device management becomes simple and centralized. From onboarding to power control, everything can be done remotely through a single interface. With built-in power scheduling, devices can turn on and off automatically exactly when they're needed. AiOOB enables centralized control without being on site. With AiOOB, systems are managed remotely and restored instantly. AiOOB Management. Smarter remote control for large-scale operations.